Hello, welcome. Let's look at this problem for chemistry, question 15, WAEC 2018. Consider the following sketch of the solubility curve of some substances. This is the sketch. You can see solubility in mole per dm cube. You can see the different substances: NaNO3, KNNO3, KClO3, NaCl, KCl. You can see these are the substances, and this is the temperature axis. Now, at what temperature does the solubility of KNO3 equal that of NaO3? Option A, 0 degrees Celsius, B, 20 degrees Celsius, C, 30 degrees Celsius, D, 40 degrees Celsius. So at what temperature is the solubility of KNO3 equal to that of NaO3? Now, if you look at the solubility curves, now you're going to identify where there is intersection between the solubility curve of the KNO3 and that of the NaNO3. So you can see that this is NaNO3, this is the curve. Then for KNO3, this is the curve, this line is the curve for KNO3, whereas this line is the curve for NaNO3. So this is the point of intersection. This is where the two curves intersected. So if you trace this point of intersection down, you're going to see that it is actually at the temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So the answer here is B, 20 degrees Celsius. So why is it B? Because the curve for KNO3, which is this, and the curve of NaNO3, which is this, intersected at this point. So at this point, they are having the same solubility. If you trace it this way, you get the solubility in mole per dm cubed. But if you trace it down, you're going to get the temperature, which is 20 degrees Celsius. So that's why B is the answer to that problem. So that is it, please. This is how solubility curve is. It's actually solubility against temperature. So when it is drawn for different substances, as it is done here, you can actually compare their solubilities at various temperatures, and that is what we've done here. Your ability to read the solubility curve is what you are being tested in this very question. So you can actually get the solution to this and see such curves under solubility in your textbook. So check for solubility in your textbook. You can look at solutions and solubility in your textbook. You'll be able to see this solubility curve, so you'll be able to learn how to read the solubility curve, and with that you can be able to handle questions like this effectively. Please, if you like this, hit the subscribe button by the side of your screen. Thank you, and God bless you.